So here is a quick guide on how to create an app using AI. In this tutorial, we will be using Emergent AI, which can generate full applications from simple instructions. Click on my discount link below to try Emergent AI. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to this page. And after signing in, this is what your dashboard will look like. So over here, you can choose between full stack app, mobile app, or landing page. So for this, we will be using full stack app. Then you can use this attachment option to add files or images. Then we have the GitHub option. This is where you can connect your GitHub account in order to access your private repositories, or else you can use the public repository option and paste in the URL right over here. Then set the branch for your repository. After that, you can set whichever model that you want to use. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. For now, I'll be using this one. Then you can go over to this section where you can set your project to private or public. But for private, you need to get a paid subscription. After that, on advanced controls, you will get to see all of these options that you can set. So go through them and set them up according to your preference. You can set the MCP servers to use from these options. Then you can select the template from here. After that, set your budget and also choose your model. Once done, you can put in your prompt right over here just like this. Then just click the Run button and it will start processing your request. And as you can see, we're now brought to the chat interface. This is where you'll get to see all the updates about your project. Once it's ready, you can click on Preview on the top right in order to view the finished project. It will open up on the right side just like this. You can now start testing and interacting with your app. Let's go ahead and put in some credentials right over here. Then I'll click on Sign In. And on the left side, you can see it's still processing the next steps. But even at this, we've got a fully functional app. You can now start using it, and if you want to make any changes, just type in your prompt describing the changes on the left side, and it will get right to work. This way, you can create any app that you want in a matter of minutes. And that's it. That is exactly how to create an app using AI.